Hi guys, this is Dawn, and in this video I wanted to share with you a little trick for forcing people to make a copy of a document instead of just sharing that document with them. So on the screen right now I just have an activity that I have done in the past with kids, and in the past what I've done with them is printed this out on paper, and then they've done like a little brainstorming and graphic organizer with it to talk about the domains and kingdoms. This year, what I might do with them is I might do two different things. One, I might together as a class, we all might edit this document. So I wanted to show you what that would look like. So if I wanted to share this, I would go to change right here. And see how it says public and they can view it? So this is a little bit scary. In this case, if I wanted them to be able to drag and drop these little things, like maybe I had a third slide that was a graphic organizer and they had to move these things to where they actually went, I would make them editors and I would just copy this link. I would stick it into Canvas and say, click here, and then I would link that with this link, right? But another sort of tricky thing that you can do is you can force them to make a copy of this document. So I would leave this as public. I would copy my link. I could click done. I would go into Canvas. So I would just go into Canvas and I would start an assignment or a page or however you want this done. And I would say, click here to make a copy of this document. Because maybe in this case, I want them to have their own document and I want them to make their own graphic organizer on the Google slide itself. So click here to make this copy. I'm going to link this. And then if you look here, see everything after this forward slash? I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to write the word copy. So that's just a little trick that you can do. It forces the children. Now I'll show you what this looks like in student view. It forces the kids when they click that link, Google will pop up and say, do you want to make a copy of this document? Instead of kids being able to see it and then having to go to file and then make a copy and then not knowing and getting lost along the way. So let me show you what this looks like from a student's perspective. Here's our example. Click here to make a copy of this document. So normally you would click on the link, it would take you to that document, right? Here it's going to force students, would you like to make a copy of this R3 Domains and Kingdoms? Make a copy. So then that copy would be theirs. They could edit that copy and then do whatever it is that you want them to do. They could resubmit it or whatever. You would write those in the directions. But that's just a super easy way to do that. Again, you can see the link up here and you can see it goes / copy. And we wrote that in right in our link. So easy way to make kids make a copy of something. All right, let me know if that does not make sense. Thank you.